Do, 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 do. Nom. Nom. I'm gonna leave that coin there. I'm gonna leave 2 coins here. Good. You have to stay over there. Here, upgrade this again. Y'all aren't going back till that thing's fully upgraded. Or it's nighttime. Mom. Or the chicken could just vanish in thin air. It's probably fake chicken. Okay, one more upgrade. Y'all should be able to do this one without my assistance, so I'm gonna leave. Just dumping money everywhere, aren't y'all? How many gems does this take? 4? I'm gonna decide to... I'm gonna go ahead and unlock that. I have no reason not to. All clear. Two more people. One's gonna be a farmer. The other is gonna be a bowman. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You screwed up my numbers. Take them. There. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop a few extra just in case. Okay, you. 1. Okay, I only had 1 gem in there. Yoink. You can keep that gem. Now, I need to expand this way. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn into a bat and skip over all of those farmers. Not entirely sure where the next wall segment is, though. It's clearly a ways down. Build that. No, I can't do anything. Yeah, just gotta wait. 3 X's. Was that 10 per X? That's 30? That's 1 tree. Chop down that tree too. Do it. All these trees need to get chopped down. Here goes the camp. There's a wall there. You know what? I'm gonna build this portal. This portal is gonna go right by the boat. Right here. Or it doesn't want me. Oh, because the boat construction spot's right there. Okay, so it's not gonna go there. Instead, I'll put it somewhere else. Maybe in the farm. Can't put it there. Put it by the catapult tent. It is quite a ways. Yeah, so I'll build this. And I'll go that way. And this one will... Hold up, we need to build all this. Because there is money everywhere. Stop it. Oh, hello. Coin. I'll make sure they stay away from my builders. Okay, this should be fine now. Y'all are already heading back out. It's still midnight. Ay, ay, ay. I think the map isn't too far off from here. Okay. So you're gonna go by the catapult, which is right here. You're gonna build it. It's an important part. Not done. I got any rock. You are gonna teleport. Not there, but there. Nope, won't allow it. Oh well. Rawr. The portal's not gonna work. Everyone, we need to upgrade our base so we aren't just using sticks. Okay, it's way too much money for these upgrades. Stop it. Yeah, so the farms are fully upgraded. Well, as fully upgraded as they can get without me greeting the old lady. Must be a way. Ugh. Manage these coins better. I'm gonna upgrade you. So everything here must be fully upgraded. That should be full upgrade. No, wait. Yeah, tower's up to tier, so this should be fine. Build another tower here. Chop down some more trees. Oh, what are y'all doing? You idiots. Oi. Seriously, what were y'all doing? Like, why? The enemies are like all the way over there. We're nowhere near them. I'll get a couple of these. Have we got anything? A couple coins here and there. There we go. You gotta travel out here real quick. I need to go recruit some people after that incident. Don't know if we lost anyone, but it's been long enough where there's at least 4 people waiting to be recruited, and I want them